Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a simple Excel loan calculator in 2026. So if you want to quickly calculate monthly payments, total interest, and loan cost, this step-by-step setup will make it super easy. First, open Microsoft Excel and create a blank workbook. Yeah, starting fresh helps keep the calculator clean and organized. Next, in the first column, type your input labels: loan amount, annual interest rate, loan term in years, and monthly payment. These are the key fields your calculator needs. Now, format the input cells. Set the loan amount as currency and the interest rate as percentage. Proper formatting makes the calculator easier to use. All right, this is the core step. In the monthly payment cell, enter the PMT function. So use the interest rate divided by 12, the loan term multiplied by 12, and the loan amount as the principal. To find the total amount paid, multiply the monthly payment by the total number of months. Yeah, this shows the full cost of the loan over time. Next, subtract the original loan amount from the total payment to calculate total interest. This reveals how much the loan actually costs you. Finally, make your calculator user-friendly. Bold the labels, add borders, and maybe apply a soft fill color to the input cells. Small design touches make a big difference. And that's it. You now have a fully working Excel loan calculator ready to estimate any loan. Yeah, just change the inputs and Excel does the rest. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Excel tutorials.